Hey guys, Darla here with Keller Williams Diamond Partner. Just a quick reminder here, if you're located in the Midwest, specifically in my area, Kansas and Missouri, we had a lot of rainfall this week. And from what I'm hearing, we're gonna have a lot more. So here is your quick reminder. I tell you all when we purchase a house, and I know that it's like hard to, I tell you like when we're house shopping, there's a few maintenance tips that I would like you to do. One being making sure that you have grading around your foundation. This is so important because if you don't have the proper grading, all that water from all the rain is gonna seep down into your basement. And I promise you, settlement cracks are normal. However, you're going to get more if you don't properly maintain your grading. Second tip, clean your gutters, right? Like Monday, was it Monday? Yeah, Monday, when it rained like crazy. Oh my gosh, if you have stuff in your gutters, the rain pouring off of it was massive. And that will also go down in your foundation as well too. So tip for the week. Here in Midwest, Kansas and Missouri, make sure your gutters are clean and make sure you're grading around your foundation. It is built up, sloop it away. Let's keep that water away from our houses. All right, guys, thank you for your time. And if you'd like more tips, make sure you like and follow my video. Darla here with Keller Williams, crushing it.